was seafarer. The life of a seafarer is filled with challenges and sacrifice. They leave their families behind and navigate vast oceans, often spending months or even years away from home. The loneliness and longing for their loved ones are constant struggles, yet they endure it all for the sake of the better future. Each voyage brings its own difficulties, from exhausting works, harsh and dangerous, unpredictable weather, and powerful storms. In some regions, the threat of piracy adds another layers of risk. Despite these challenges, seafarers remain committed to their duties, knowing that their hard work is essential. Life at sea is not easy, but it comes with its own set of rewards. Seafarers have unique opportunity to travel different countries and experience various cultures. The vast ocean becomes their second home, and witnessing breath, sunrise, and sunset at sea provides them with moments and peace and inspirations more than just a job. Seafarers is sacrificing made for family, the long moments separating and endure so that they can provide financial stability for their loved ones. Their earnings help send their children to school, support their needs, and build toward a better future for they care about. Seafarers are often unsung heroes, dedicated their lives to a profession and keep global trade moving despite the hardship they take in their work, knowing the sacrifices contribute to something greater. Centering resilience and commitment deserve more recognition and appreciation. Their story is one of perseverance, courage, and selflessness. Seafarers continue to brave open seas, facing every challenges. With determination, they serve as inspiration to many, proving that sacrifices and dedication can pave the way for a brighter future.